Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for entertainment and media business. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about your coding. Offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, enter the website. Now create a new site. Search for your business or your website type. Entertainment, entertainment, and media. Oh, now wait a few seconds. Enter your business name, type any business name you want here. Here if you want to add your business address. Here set your default working hours. Next. Here if you want to start adding services, if you want to add some services. Next. Add your stuff here. Now what else do you want to do with your business? Offer virtual sessions, accept online payments, manage on the go with Wix on your app, sync your personal Google, send automated email and SMS reminder. So next, now continue to the dashboard. Now if you want to design more your site, click here. Here if you want to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. Wait a few seconds. Here enter your information, your email, your address, and your phone. And here if you want to add a social link, here you can add your logo. So let's go. If you want to pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. Pick any one you want here. Here if you want to add pages to your site. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. Now if you want to edit more your website, click here. So here is the settings of the website. Here you can add elements if you want. You can edit the theme text. Here the size or the shape of the writing, the titles if you want to edit the titles, and the paragraphs. So that's it. Let's move on to the image. Here also the image if you want to search for image, or if you want to show more image here. So let's move on to the button. The same thing in the button if you want to edit the shape or the size of the buttons here, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and the document buttons, and the iTunes buttons. Here also the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. So let's move on. Strip. Here if you want to manage your strip, classic, featured, about, services, contacts, and welcome, testimonials, and theme. So decorative, if you want to add more decorative here, themed lines or basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines, the featured, the icons, and the animal and nature, the logos and the badges, the characters, and video box, video max, video mask and the transparent video. So let's move on to the boxes settings. Here, if you want to edit your themed boxes, your container boxes, and your over boxes, and the last things, the tabs. So let's move on to the gallery, the pro galleries, grade galleries, slider galleries, and here if you want to add more galleries. So the menu and the anchor, if you want to edit your menu, the themed menus, here the themed menus, the vertical menus, and the horizontal menus and the vertical menus, the anchor and the in-page menu. Here is the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. The contact forms, the order forms, the the registration forms, donation forms, and the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms. So here if you want to edit your forms and contacts, the waiver forms and subscribe forms, the maps, the full width maps, and last thing here, the chat, the Wix chat, and the line. So let's move on. Video and music, Wix video and the video box, video mask, transparent video. So this is the video settings. If you want to manage the video settings, here is the music settings, audio players, Wix music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes buttons. Interactive, if you want to edit the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows, here the light boxes and the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. Here is the over repetures, the list. If you want to edit the list settings, here the embed code, the social media bar. If you want to edit the Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, the payments, the payment settings, the blog, the store, the bookings, and the events in the community, and here your designs. So if you want to add more sections here, you can select any section here you want. About team and the contact, the promotion, the services, the subscribe, the testimonial, the clients, the store, the bookings, the events, and the basic, and the text and the list. So if you want to add page and menu here, you can add home, contact, services, testimonial, press, career, and book online. So let's move on to site design. If you want to edit the color theme, the text theme, and the page background, the page transitions, then if you want to add more apps here you can search for apps. So let's move on. Business, if you want to manage your business, here you can manage your business. The media, if you want to upload your media here, if you want to manage your media, if you want to search for something here. So let's move on to the CMS, manage your site contents if you want to add to your site. So, and the last thing here, the marketing and the SEO. So here if you want to move it up, move your sections, move it up or move it down. If you want to do a quick edit, if you want to explore sections layout, here if you want to edit your sections, if you want to delete or duplicate or copy or cut. So that's it. After you're done from editing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website and get this is easy. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.